You will need 2 people to assemble this frame. To begin, remove all parts from the box and lay them out. You should have the following: 2 side poles, rounded corners, A. 1 center pole with 2 screw holes, B. 2 poles with 2 tapered ends and screw holes, C. 2 poles with 1 tapered end, D. 3 ground stakes, 3 washers, 2 screws and bolts, 10 bungees. Lay out the parts and pieces to resemble your banner frame, close to your desired location. The curved poles, A, are the end pieces, and one lays on each end with curved parts facing inward. The center pole, B, is the only straight pole that is not tapered. The poles with both tapered ends and screw holes, C, should be lined up with screw holes of B pole. The remaining 2 poles, D, fit in to complete the frame. Assemble the frame by sliding the pole sections into one another until secure. Identify the end of both C poles that have the screw hole and slide the other end of those poles into the same A pole. Slide the tapered ends of both D poles into the other A. Slide the remaining ends of both C poles and both D poles into each other in the center of the frame. Once all poles are secured together, you will screw the center pole to the assembled frame at the top and bottom. Align the holes on B pole with the hole on each C pole. Carefully lay the assembled frame in your desired display location. Make sure that it is facing the desired direction. Using the legs as your guide, hammer the ground stakes into the ground halfway down. Note, to prevent damage to the ground stake, use a wooden block between the ground stake and your hammer. This will avoid the ground stake splintering, making your banner frame unable to slide down for install. Place a washer onto each ground stake. Set the assembled banner frame onto the ground stakes. Install your banner using the provided bungees, starting with the top grommets.